Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use a Roblox support ticket. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Roblox application on your mobile device. It can be iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter, the steps are the same. So then in this interface at the bottom right, click on the three dots button, actually it is more button, then scroll this to the bottom of this page, and then click on the help and safety, and then the first one option, help. After that you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and click on any of these statements. It can be I need help with my account, for example. Then scroll down, and actually if you want you can click on the I forgot my username if you have this problem. So then, as you can see, then you will see a message. What should you do if you forgot your username? But actually, if you scroll to the bottom of this page, you will see a button, need more help, contact support here. You need to click on this one button. Then wait a little bit, and then as you can see, you will see the support ticket. All you need to do is to enter your username, first name, email address, then device type, can be, as in my situation it is iPhone, then type a help category, for example account hacked if you have this problem, and then you need to describe your issue, and then click on the continue button, and after a few hours, maybe a little bit more, you will receive an answer from Roblox support and your problem will be fixed. So, and that's all. And that's how to use a Roblox support ticket. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.